Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Surfer SEO. Let's begin. Now, for those who are new here, Surfer SEO is a comprehensive tool designed to help optimize your website's on-page SEO. Now, that means it provides insights and recommendations based on a comparison of your content against top-ranking pages for a specific keyword. But for us to utilize the tools, features, and dashboard, we need to create an account. If you haven't done so, click on the Start for Free option at the upper right corner. You see, you have a 7-day generous trial wherein you can leverage the platform for your website. It's basically SEO simplified. You can sign up with their Google account, and of course, you can sign up with their email depending on your preferences. In my case, I'm going to use my Google account, so it's a lot easier for me to move forward. Now, once you have created your account successfully, the next thing that you need to do is to explore and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Alright? You can simply start a new project here or similar button to begin. Right? This is going to be your organization. And of course, the settings as well. You can enter a URL page you want to optimize. For example, you go to the content at audit. Skip the tour. All right, and close. Or my favorite is the SERP analyzer, but the thing is it's not available in the trial version. You can simply go to the topic explorer, and from here you can explore new topics. When you click on the plus button here, you can connect your GSC and analyze your site to uncover content opportunities to boost your topical authority. Or you can enter your topic and generate articles cluster to explore. But my favorite is the keyword research, wherein just enter your keyword and they generate your article ideas clusters based on it. All right. Now, for example, our target keyword is going to be about maybe, I don't know, probably like YouTube channel. Let's do that. And click on find new topic. All right. Just wait for it to load in a little bit and see what we get in results here. Now, while waiting, you see a notification here that you are being invited for a free one-on-one session with the Surfer expert and get SEO tips and Surfer best practices. All right. If you want to book your session, just click on this option right here. Now, another good option in the dashboard is called the content editor. Now, again, simply just enter the keywords that you wanted and you want to rank up for. For example, that's going to be YouTube channel. All right. Now, these are going to be the keywords of your choice. Channel of YouTube. The difficulty is this one. And the volume of search is going to be like 40,000. Channel of YouTube, youtube.com channel, and a lot more. And of course, you can also get on the SEO best practices to rank content higher. Just click on new tag here and you can find example articles that you wanted. All right. Now, on the topic explorer, you can go to the domain map, topical map, and keyword research. So far it's empty. Just create a topic explorer, and again, you'll be reverted back to the first options that we have earlier. Now, the AI humanizer is when you paste your content, you can generate a sample. So let's do that right now. For example, I'm going to put in something here. All right. Now, that's going to be 10 of 5,000 words. Waiting for input, and we'll scan your content with the AI detector. But of course, you need to provide at least 100 words. Let's try that right now. Just give me a quick second. Okay, so here I'm going to put in something more. The text detected is like AI and 100% zero human, all right? If you want to humanize this one, it's a very good tool. It would rewrite you to something better, all right? Now, just wait for it. Your text is now being humanized, and now it's not going to be like an AI generated. So, all right. If you're happy with it, copy that to your content and you can leverage the platform itself. In the content audit, all right, you can simply click on the Google Search Console Now, when you explore again, if you wanted to unlock all the cool features, you need to subscribe to a plan to get in touch if you need help choosing, all right? You can contact support if you wanted, but again, you can simply click on the select a plan. And right now, you can go to the $89 per month, which is one of the best. It is advisable for small business owners and freelancers. And of course, when you choose Essential, you can write plus optimize articles with content editor in up to 30 articles, plus 20 auto-optimized runs. You have the access to the content audit, topic explorer, which is a very new feature here. And of course, you can invite two members like your client or your collaborator or your freelancer that's going to be working for your organization. But the most popular is the scale plan, which is just $129 per month. That's advisable for mid-sized agencies and marketing teams. All right, you can run for the auto optimize and a lot more, plus the essentials. But I do suggest if you wanted to scale up and you wanted to get the enterprise, you might want to go to the section of the sales professional before you dive in to a bigger commitment. And again, as you can see, you can optimize with content editor. If you wanted to take a very quick tour, just wait for it a few seconds. I did this in the past because I wanted to explore more of the Surfer SEO. These are the 12 best practices to rank content higher. Your content score will be gauged here in the number between 1 to 100. All right. If you wanted to click on the auto optimize, what will happen is it would be forwarded here. You see there's an analytics tool at the left side corner, which is going to be a very efficient and very handy. You see the text is being generated, and what you can do is just simply connect that and post it to your website to get more rank higher content for your SEO. Now, once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is save and close, and you would be able to get more tools and features on how to leverage the platform of the Surfer SEO. Remember, begin optimizing pages that already ranking or have potential to rank. And of course, you can test different optimizations and compare results to refine your strategy. All right, just wait for it to load. And then the one of the best SEO practices is to stay updated with the Surfer SEO status features and recommendations. You see, there's going to be an option in the left side panel, right? That's the audit and the SERP analyzer. And by following all of these tips, you would be able to effectively use Surfer SEO to optimize their content and improve the website's search engine rankings. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.